Hello guys, and today I will show you how to fully restart a Sonos Roam speaker. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, we need to fully turn off the speaker, what I already did, and now we need to hold two buttons. The first button is play or stop, and the second button is the power button on the behind of the speaker. We need to hold these buttons for about 10 to 15 seconds until we will see this indicator blink by white, then by orange, and when it's blinking by green, it means the restart was successful. Let's do it. Firstly, it's white. Now it's orange. And after hearing this sound, it means the speaker was. And now, after we successfully reset our speaker, we can enjoy our favorite music like before. But firstly, we need to connect it to our phone with Bluetooth. So we need to find the same button and hold it for a few seconds. After hearing the sound, you can see the indicator is blinking by blue. That means the speaker is ready to connect. Now, we need to open our Bluetooth settings. And as you can see in the list, we see our Roam speaker. We just click on it, and it's successfully connected. You can enjoy your favorite music again. Thank you for watching.